2 over 15 equal to 1 over x plus 1 over y. We want to find x and y, and the first thing we know, x and y are integers. So let's solve this problem. First, we should do something to get rid of denominators. 15 here we have, x here we have, y here we have. So it's good to multiply both sides by what? By 15xy. So let's 15xy times 2 over 15 equal 15xy times 1 over x plus 15xy times 1 over y. And we cancel 15, 15. X, x, y, y. So let's work to see each side is what. Left hand side will be 2xy. Right hand side is 15y plus 15x. Now, let's take all things to left hand side. 2xy minus 15x minus 15y equal to 0. So, it is similar. We have a trick. We call it Simon's favorite factoring trick. And this part we have 2. We can call it, for example, an idea similar to that. When you have 2, you should multiply both sides by 2. The first thing is this, then it will be 4xy minus 30x minus 30y equal to 0. Now, here, I want to factor 2x, 2y equal 4xy here, we have 2x times 2y. Now I want to create negative 30x. So I place negative 15 here. I want to create negative 30y. I place negative 15 here. Negative 15 times negative 15 will be plus 225. So 225 is what? Is 15 squared, which will be 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. Then we have lots of counts. How? Without lots of generator, let me tell you something. Suppose x is less than or equal y, and then at the end we switch. So because x is less than or equal y, so this part is less than or equal this part. And if you want to check all cases, let's write it in new page. 2x minus 15, 2y minus 15 equal to 225, which will be 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. And we know first term is less than or equal second term. So it can be 1, they are positive. 225, we can say it is 3. The next one is 3 times 25, 75. If it is 5, it will be 9 times 5, 45. Now, if we check 9, it will be 25. If we check 15, it will be 15. And if you know the number of divisors here is 2 times 3 times 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we found these answers. Now, for negative part, it will be negative because it is less than or equal second term. Negative 225 minus 1, negative 75, negative 3, negative 45, negative 5, negative 25, negative 9, negative 15, negative 15. Now, let's find x and y. It's the time to find x and y. Let's see how we can find x and y. 2x minus 15 is 1. You add 15 to both sides. It will be 2x equal to 16 over 2. So for each term, you add 15, then divide by 2. For first term, 15 plus 1, 16. 16 over 2, 8. The next term, this one. Plus 15 is 240 over 2, 120. And we switch also x and y. So we've checked this. Next case. 15 plus 3, 18 over 2, 9. This plus 15 will be 90 over 2, 45. Next case. 5 plus 15, 20 over 2, 10. 45 plus 15, 60 over 230. And we can switch 10, 30, 30, 10. Let's check, for example, this case to see, does it satisfy 2 over 15, 1 over x plus 1 over 1 over 10 plus 1 over 30. You can factor from 30. Common denominator is 30. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 over 30 will be 2 over 15, which is 2 over 15 also here. Okay. Let's check other answers. 1030. Next one. So it was okay. 9 plus 15, 24 over 212. 25 plus 15, 30, 40 over 220. And you can switch. Next one. 15 plus 15, 30 over 215. Also 15. Here switch doesn't mean anything. This one. Negative 225 plus 15 will be negative. You should subtract 15 from that. It will be 210. Negative 210, which will be negative 105. Negative 1 plus 15, 14 over 2, 7. And you can switch. This one. Negative 75 plus 15, negative 60 over 2, negative 30. Negative 3 plus 15, 12 over 2, 6. Negative 45 plus 15, negative 30 over 2, negative 15. Negative 5 plus 15, 10, 10 over 2, 5. Negative 25 plus 15, negative 10 over 2, negative 5. Negative 9 plus 15, which will be 6 over 2, 3. And this one, xy, will be 0, 0, but because x and y are in the denominators. 0, 0 is not possible. So let's see how many answers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 2, 16. 16 answers plus 15, 15 is 117. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. To solve this problem, let me write a homework for you. To solve this homework, try to solve 1 over x plus 1 over y is 3 over 7. And x and y are integers. Try to solve and find all x and y and comment your answers below this video. If you want to learn more tricks, more ideas, then message to my WhatsApp number. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. Thanks. See you next time. Bye bye.